Hi, I'm Nathan, and today we're in the great outdoors to test our advanced wind noise cancelling feature. Unfortunately, the weather today is actually quite good, so we can't really get too much wind, but we're lucky that I brought my own. So this fan is going to simulate wind, and I will swap now between having no wind noise cancellation and our new advanced wind noise cancelling feature. Let's try it out. Wasn't that so much nicer? Now, to test wind even further, we took some of our colleagues out cycling, which is a pretty windy case, and we asked them what they thought. Let's go and hear from them now.
Yeah, so I've just been testing the new wind noise canceller.
The wind sounds really good. We can actually ride a bike with this.
Can you hear just how much more stable that is?
It's a big improvement.
It was more calm and more transparent for me, so it was comfortable for me.
I think we did a pretty good job.